Hello, my name is Russell Preston Brown from Adobe, and this super advanced tutorial is all about working with Adobe Photoshop and the new Generative Fill feature. In this tutorial, I want to demonstrate how to turn this photograph into a piece of art. Check this out. I've created a cartoon vector art, an oil painting, a pencil sketch, and a watercolor. I did this by using these expressions you see here as my prompts. So I'm using artistic terms as a prompt when creating a generative fill. But there's more to it. There's a super user tip and technique, and I'm about to show it to you now. Let's start here with my original image right here. Here it is. I'm now going to select the letter Q on my keyboard. Just like that. Notice that my original image is highlighted over here to the right. I'm in the quick mask mode. Aha! If I fill this area of my image, I can then fill it and create a mask. This is how we're going to do it, and watch very carefully. It's a bit complicated. I'm going to go right over here to my foreground color and tap once here. Notice my brightness value right here. I'm going to set this brightness value to 40. 40% will then create a 40% mask, an intensity mask that's going to be used for example, a watercolor that I'm going to create. So I want a 40% combination of my original image and a watercolor. Wow. I'm going to select OK. That's step number one. Next, we'll go to the Edit menu and down to Fill. We're going to fill with the foreground color and select OK. So I've filled the entire image area with a 40% value, as you see here. That is a mask. I now can select the Q key again on my keyboard. We don't see the mask as a selection, but it's there. We know it's there because the Generative Fill taskbar has appeared here. It's allowing us to tap right in here, and now I'm going to type in the word watercolor. Now I select Generate. It's going to process this 40% mask of a combination of this image and a watercolor. The results will be really quite amazing, as you're going to see right here. Cool. So I'm using 40% for this. I could choose different percentages and get different results. So there's your tip and technique. In fact, a super user tip and technique for creating a watercolor. Try using some of the other prompts that I worked with, like pencil sketch, oil paint, and cartoon vector. Give this a try, have some fun, experiment. Remember, you could also run this process and check out the 3 different variations which will be created each time you do this. There you have it. Give it a try.